So what I'm going to be looking for is a reversal, and that's when I'm going to be entering a nice short position because we're already in this uptrend, as you guys can see. Even with the PSAR, you guys can see, there we go, we're pushing up, we're pushing up. Now as soon as we start to see the red candle form right here, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna enter a short position or a sell trade. Now the reason I'm gonna be looking for a sell trade, now everyone is probably wondering, wait, we're going up, why would you enter a short, why would you enter a sell trade? Because I never want to enter in the middle of a trend. I always wait for a trend reversal, and that's when I'm going to be entering. So, for example, let's see right here, we're starting to have a push up. Let's look at the RSI. RSI is getting pretty high up here, around 57. So you guys know the RSI has two levels. The first level at the top right here, the RSI for the RSI is 70. So when we're getting close to the 70 mark, that means that we've pushed up quite a bit, and now most likely we're looking for a reversal. And then the bottom level for RSI is the 30 level. So when the RSI gets close to that 30 level at the bottom, that means that we're getting very close to the oversold territory. Now, when something is sold too much, most likely it's going to start to reverse and go back up. Now, also, we can see with the PSAR dots right here. Now, everyone's asking me, what are these dots on the screen? So, this is the PSAR indicator. The way it works, it's actually really amazing. If we look at it right here, we can see when so the ticker right here is Bitcoin. So right now we're trading BTC USD because it is the weekend, so all the other markets are closed. So right now, there we go, we're trading Bitcoin, and we're using the range bars to enter our trades. Now if you guys are wondering where I'm trading on abado.com. I put it on the chart right here, I just wrote it. So the platform I'm trading on is called abado.com. If you guys are looking to trade, that's a really good platform. I've been using it for a while now. They have all the markets, and the best part is it's zero commission, zero swaps, and very low spread, which pretty much means that there's very low fees. Now, guys, we can see right here we're starting to get this red candle right here on the range bar, so that means that we're starting to see a reversal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and enter a short position here. Okay, so as soon as we get a little bit higher push up, there we go. I think that's pretty good. So I'll go ahead and enter a short position. There we go. So you guys can see that I've just entered a short position right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my stop loss and take profit. I'll show you, it's very simple. So because we're in a short position, I'm going to just click and drag my stop loss up, and I'm going to set it at 100 points. So that's going to be $500 because I'm using 5 lot size. So there we go. That's my stop loss, and my take profit, I'm just going to drag it down here, and I'm going to set it at 100 points as well. And there we go. You guys can see it says take profit is set and stop loss is set. So basically, this is my entry right here. This is where I entered the short position. Yeah, Jet, for sure. Crypto markets never close, which is actually amazing. So right here, I entered a short position, which is a sell trade. So that means that if the market starts to go down, then we're going to be able to make some money. And then this is where I set my stop loss, which means that if the market comes to here, I'm going to be stopped out of my trade so I don't lose more. I always use stop loss because it's very important to always stay safe. All of the profit that you guys will ever see is just a side effect of safety, guys. Remember that profit is just a side effect of safety. Now, over here, that's where my stop loss is, and down here, that's where my take profit is. So when the market comes down here, then we're gonna close the trade automatically in profit. Now, we have this trade open, and the reason that I entered this trade was because of the range bars. Now, a lot of people are wondering, okay, what are the range bars and how do they work? So first of all, the range bars are on our website, and they run on all the markets. So you guys can see they run on Forex, crypto, commodities and indices, as well as equities, so stocks. Now, if you guys want access to this, it's completely free. All you have to do is give me a follow and join the Discord link in the bio, guys. And you guys can get access to the range bars, a whole bunch of information, training videos, things like that. And it's completely for free. And guys, congratulations to anyone who's following along. Our trade is already in profit. So congratulations. That was amazing. That was really fast. And you guys know that's what it is. We're here every single day doing these live trades, showing you guys exactly step by step, A to Z, exactly how I do what I do.